not gonna use it. We're gonna use our boat, which is gonna be even better. So yeah, I hope I get to the end with this strategy, and the strategy will work. You guys can do it too. So you need like this, like not very big, and now you need to like attach balloons to your boat, like this. Actually, I'm gonna delete those ones at the back. No, I delete. No, it's fine. We don't need it.
Hey, Rocky, where'd you go?
I'm recording a video, bro.
Rocky, you think you should look at this?
Nah, I don't need to. Okay, and like that at the that's the back. That's the front, and that's the back. Okay, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, let's go! It works. I'm already recording it. It's too late for you tomorrow. I'm sorry, but for you tomorrow. Cause I'm already off. Yeah, it's fine. I'm already off to the races, bro.
You don't mind if I play some games?
That's fine, I guess.
Yeah.
Alright, so by doing this strategy, you like skip all of this and you like already go to the end without dying. Or their boat gets destroyed, of course. That is a thing don't want to do. Cause that's it. Oh, look, it's a boat down there. Cause look at that. They can't even reach up here. Cause it's pretty hard at the end. It gets hard and I not really want to make another boat and just die again. But this strategy, I mean, it's not really a strategy, but maybe it's a strategy. Actually, it works very well. Like, I'm actually very pleased that, cause you have to like balance the. No. 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 It's going down. Is it going down? No! It's going down! Ah! Ah! No! 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 Okay. No! My driver's seat! My driver's seat! No! I got stuck in a tornado! No! 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 Oh, I'm back! No! Please! Please! No! It's ruined! No! Ah! Please! Get me back on! Get me back on! Get me back on! No! Please! 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 No! Stop! No, it's broken! You know what? I have an idea. We continue on foot then. Because my boat there's... my boat there's doing weird stuff. I'm gonna continue by our own then. Yeah, you can struck me. I'm sorry, but you can struck me. Because I'm Shazam. We're almost there, come on. No! Oh no, uh-oh. No. 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 You're not gonna get me, buddy. This parkour pro. No, you. Okay, I'm gonna glitch a little bit. Okay, now we jump here. Okay, we jump a little lot. Okay, we're going. Going. Why my animation, my walking animation is broken? What is this? So what do we got here is, oh. Okay, got another, okay, I lost an arm, bro.